So let's have a look at important concept. Number of outcomes, number of combination, number of choices. However we want to call that, the idea is the same. A sports shop sells 3 different brands of running shoes, A, B, and C. Each brand comes in the 4 different colors and 4 different sizes shown in the table below. And we can see brand A can come in color red, blue, black, or yellow, and then that red can come in size 7, 8, 9, or 10. The blue can come in, we get the idea. How many different choices of running shoes does the shop sell? For example, one choice will be brand B, yellow, and size 7. So here we have that idea of number of outcomes. And like I'm saying, whether it's number of outcomes, number of combination, number of choices, however we want to look at it, the idea is the same, that we consider number of options available and we multiply that by number of options. And if we have more of them, we can multiply again by number of options, and we can keep on going depending how many of them we have. That idea will go with you to the living search. We're going to be using the same idea. So in this case, my number of options, I have 3 options of brand, multiply. Number of options of colors, I have 4 of them, multiply. And then number of option of sizes, we have 4 of them. We put that in the calculator, we multiply, and we get that is 48.